Most drivers unknowingly ignore hidden car features that can quietly drain their money. Here's the shocking part. One of these could save you from a $4,000 repair, and you've probably been driving past it every single day without realizing it. Before you waste money on repairs you don't need, here are 17 hidden car features that most people never learn about. Do not skip ahead. This can save you serious cash. Let's start right now with number 17. Secret number 17. Rear wiper spray can be adjusted. Your rear windshield gets dirty, you press the washer, and the fluid sprays everywhere except the glass. Most drivers assume it's a design flaw. It's not. That rear washer nozzle is adjustable. Inside, it is a tiny ball joint that can be repositioned using nothing more than a pin or sewing needle. Gently insert it, tilt the nozzle, and aim the spray exactly where it belongs. Some drivers pay mechanics $50 to fix this, even though it takes 30 seconds. Once adjusted, your rear window stays clear in rain, dust, and snow, improving visibility and safety instantly. Secret number 16. Traction control isn't always your friend. That button with the car and squiggly lines isn't decoration. It controls traction control, and knowing when to turn it off can save you from getting stuck. Traction control limits wheel spin, which is great on wet or icy roads, but if you're stuck in deep snow or mud, it can actually prevent you from escaping by cutting engine power. Turning it off temporarily allows wheel spin so you can free yourself. Just remember to turn it back on once you're moving again. Most drivers never touch this button, and that's why they get stranded. Secret number 15. Your parking brake is an emergency brake. Your parking brake isn't just for hills. If your main brakes ever fail while driving, it becomes your backup stopping system. The mistake most people make is pulling it hard. That can lock the rear wheels and cause a spin. Instead, apply it slowly and steadily, or hold the electronic parking brake button. Many modern vehicles automatically control braking pressure to prevent skidding. Brake failures cause thousands of accidents yearly, yet most drivers never practice this life-saving technique. Secret number 14. Your AC has a hidden protection mode. That button with a car and a circular arrow is more powerful than you think. It's your cabin air recirculation system. When activated, it blocks outside pollution, exhaust fumes, and unpleasant odors while improving cooling efficiency by up to 20% in hot weather. It also reduces strain on your AC system and helps your cabin air filter last longer, saving you money on future repairs. Secret number 13. There's a filter affecting your health. If your car smells musty or makes you sneeze, the problem might be your cabin air filter. This filter cleans the air you breathe while driving. When clogged, it reduces airflow, strains your AC, and circulates dust, pollen, and bacteria. Replacing it yourself takes under 10 minutes and costs $15 to $30. Dealerships charge over $120 for the same job. Change it once a year. Your lungs, wallet, and AC will thank you. Secret number 12. Sun visors extend. When sunlight sneaks past your visor and blinds you from the side, there's a built-in solution most people miss. Many visors have a hidden sliding extension inside. Pull it out to block side glare during sunrise and sunset. This small feature dramatically improves comfort and focus, yet most drivers never use it. If this video is already saving you money, tap like so more drivers see it. Secret number 11. Your headrest can break windows. Your headrest isn't just for comfort, it's an emergency escape tool. Remove it completely, wedge the metal posts into the corner of a side window, and use leverage to break the glass. This is critical in flood or crash situations when doors won't open. Hundreds of people die each year trapped in submerged vehicles. Knowing this trick could save your life. Secret number 10. The arrow that ends gas station confusion. That tiny arrow next to the fuel pump icon on your dashboard tells you which side the gas cap is on. This has existed since the 1990s, yet many drivers still pull up to the wrong side of the pump. Once you notice it, you'll never forget it. Secret number 9. Rear seats fold from the trunk. Instead of climbing into the back seat, check your trunk. Most cars have release levers that let you fold the rear seats down directly from the trunk. Perfect for loading long items alone. Some even let you fold just one side while keeping passengers seated. Secret number 8. Fuel cap holder saves engines. That little hook inside your fuel door is designed to hold your gas cap while refueling. Letting the cap hang or placing it on your roof can introduce dirt into your fuel system, leading to injector damage costing up to $3,000. Almost every car has this feature. Nearly nobody uses it. Secret number 7, mute your microphone during calls. Your car's Bluetooth system has a mute button, often on the steering wheel. One press silences your mic so the caller can't hear inside conversations, road noise, or distractions. Perfect for privacy and professional calls. Secret number 6, night driving glare fix. That small tab under your rearview mirror changes the reflection angle to reduce headlight glare. Flip it at night and the harsh light fades instantly while maintaining visibility behind you. Many drivers avoid night driving, despite this feature existing for decades. Secret number 5, snowflake warning means danger. That snowflake icon warns when road temperatures approach freezing. Some cars even change warning colors as conditions worsen. It helps alert drivers to invisible black ice before it becomes dangerous. Secret number 4, trunk escape handle. All modern cars have a glow-in-the-dark trunk release handle. It allows anyone trapped inside to escape without tools, even in total darkness. Many owners never check if theirs works. Do it today. Secret number 3, tire pressure controls fuel costs. Driving with tires just 5 psi low can reduce fuel efficiency and wear tires faster. Check pressure monthly. Tires naturally lose air, especially in cold weather. Proper inflation saves fuel and extends tire life. Secret number 2, speed-based volume control. Your car may automatically adjust music volume based on speed. As road noise increases, volume rises and lowers again when you slow down. This reduces distractions and improves comfort. Secret number 1, your car can lock itself. Many modern cars automatically lock when the key fob moves away. Some allow delay timers or visual confirmation. This feature reduces theft risk and gives peace of mind, yet many owners never enable it. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. If this video saved you money or helped you avoid an expensive repair, subscribe for more no-nonsense car tips that protect your wallet and keep you safe. There are more mechanic secrets most people never learn, and I'll be sharing them next.